So just because circumstances change, it does not mean that your gap year is wasted. Only you have the power to decide that a gap year is a total waste. From this place, because plans have changed, because things have shifted, it's up to you, if you're feeling discouraged by the way that things have unfolded, to reconnect with your clear intention for why you wanted to take a gap year in the first place. Because before you made the plans, before you got crystal clear on what you thought you wanted it to look like, there was a deeper reason. There were core feelings, aspects that you wanted to develop within yourself through going abroad or doing other things that might not be on the table right now. So my invitation for you is to write out, what was your clear intention for taking a gap year this year? Was it to develop as a person? Was it to creatively overcome challenges? Was it to learn about new cultures? So the next question to ask yourself is, how can I creatively move forward in alignment with this intention despite the current circumstances?